How to remove Google account from Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Google account from Android device quickly and easily. Whether you are switching your device or troubleshooting, this guide will help you get it done in just few steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your phone and go to the settings. Once you are in the settings, simply type accounts and sync on the search bar. Now you simply need to scroll down and tap on accounts and sync. Next, tap on the Google. And once you are in the Google section, here you will see all the accounts linked to your device. Look for the Google account you want to remove it and simply tap on it. And once detailed account page appears, simply tap on the three dot icon shown on the bottom of the screen. After tapping, the drop down menu with two options will appear. To remove account from your device, you simply need to tap on remove account. Now you might get a warning that removing the account will delete messages, contacts and other synced data on this device. If you are sure, go ahead and confirm. And that's it. Your Google account has been successfully removed from your device. And that's all for today. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel and drop down a comment below if you have any question. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.